So, good day everyone. So today we will talk about the destination marketing. So, destination marketing is ito yung tungkol sa pag-promote ng mga lugar at para mas ma-attract yung mga tourist. And dito, pinapakita dito ay yung mga magagandang attraction, culture, at hospitality ng isang destination. So, it is very important kasi ito yung para mas maging competitive ang isang lugar, para mas maging maganda yung experience ng mga tourists. And gumagamit din sila ng iba't ibang marketing strategies at planning para mas makilala yung lugar. So, destination marketing system. So, first, we have the external environment. So, ito yung mga factors na hindi kayang kontrolin ng mga political, social, at economic situations. And nakakaapekto din ito sa mga tourism ng isang lugar. And the second one is the supply destination. So, ito naman yung mga bagay na inaalok ng destination tulad ng mga attractions, amenities, hotel, restaurant, at mga infrastructure. And ito din yung mga reason kung bakit pumupunta yung mga tourist. So, third is demand travelers. So, ito yung mga needs, wants, at expectation ng mga visitors. So, kailangan satisfy sila para bumalik uli yung mga recommendation ng iba. So, fourth is distribution channel. So, ito yung paraan para nakakarating ang information sa tourists, like yung mga travel agency, website, social media, at mga online booking platform. So, destination competitiveness. So, dito yung kung paano sinusukat yung competitiveness ng isang lugar gamit yung mga travel and tourist competitiveness index or TTCI. So, there are three main categories. So, first is the regulatory framework. So, dito tinitingnan yung mga policies, rules, at safety para mas maging maayos yung mga tourists. So, the second one is the business environment and infrastructure. So, dito is mahalaga ang transportation, communication service, at facilities para mas maging convenient yung mga travel ng mga tourists. And the third one is the human culture and natural resources. So, kasama din dito yung mga culture, natural attractions, at skills ng mga tao sa tourism industry. So, sustainable tourism. So, the sustainable tourism is ito yung nagbabalance ng economic, environmental, at social factors. So, tinatawag itong triple bottom line. So, first is people, planet, and profit. So, people is protection. Ito yung protection sa mga culture at community involvement. And then, the second one is the planet, pag-aalaga sa mga environment, ganon. And the third one is the profit. So, pagpapalakas ng economy. So, para mas maging sustainable tourism is magkakaroon ng tourism growth para hindi masira yung mga natural resources at culture. So, effect of tourism. So, we have economic effect. So, tourism ay nakakapagbigay din ng maraming trabaho. Like, nagdadala ito ng mga economic at may multiplier effect kung saan kumikita yung maraming businesses. And we have the social and cultural effect. So, dito is maganda ito dahil nagkakaroon ng cultural exchange. Pero may mga risk din ito, like yung mga over commercialization ng culture kapag hindi properly managed. And we have the environmental effects. So, dito is pwede ito magdulot ng pollution at overdevelop, kaya mahalaga talaga yung sustainability at proper planning. So, we have a role of public and private sectors. So, successfully tourism ay nangangailangan ng cooperation ng tatlong categories. So, first is public sectors. Ito yung government. So, dito is gumagawa ng policies, nagpapatayo ng mga infrastructure at nagbibigay ng regulation. And we have a private sectors. Ito yung mga businesses na nag-invest at nagpo-promote at nag-offer ng services para sa mga tourists. And then, communities. dito is sila yung may mga may-ari ng mga culture at lugar, kaya sila ang nagpapalakas ng authenticity ng fairness sa tourism operations.